Surveillance video, 911 calls, and witness accounts. It's all been released by the state attorney's office in a case Florida Highway Patrol troopers call deadly road rage.
He's hit me again. He's following me now. He just got out of my car.
A Southside woman is charged in that road rage incident with second-degree murder and vehicular homicide. Investigators say she gave chase across the Buckman Bridge onto US 17.
It ended in a crash. Tonight, a look at some of that evidence that'll be used against her in court, including her own call to 911.
24-year-old Ana Jimenez called 911 back in April of 2019 to report a man in a gray SUV had just hit her white Honda Civic on I-295 near Old St. Augustine Road.
911 was located on an emergency. Yeah, someone just hit me.
Police reports say the SUV driver, 60-year-old James Robinson, and Jimenez both got off at San Jose Boulevard in Mandarin.
San Jose? I'm going to hit the exit here. I'm following him now. Like, he didn't stop, but he hit me in the middle of the road.
Jimenez followed the driver into the nearby Target parking lot, and police say she tried to block him in while calling 911, saying she was hurt.
If you would like rescue, don't chase after him, okay? Don't follow him, okay?
But Jimenez says Robinson sped away.
Someone stop him! He hit me! Someone stop him! He hit me! Stop him!
Listen, ma'am, the police will handle that. I need you to talk to me so fire and rescue can help you. You said that you're hurt.
Investigators say Robinson got back onto I-295, headed for the Buckman Bridge at 100 miles per hour, and Jimenez chased him.
Going north on Orange Park.
Okay.
I know, but somebody needs to stop him. He's hurting people.
Okay, ma'am, that's what the police...
I know, but they're not going to do anything.
Okay,
Crazy.
listen, I need... Stop following him, ma'am, so that we can come and help you.
Multiple witnesses, one of whom took cell phone video, told FHP Jimenez repeatedly rammed the man's SUV, forcing it into the retaining wall.
He's hit me again. He's following me now. He just got out of my car.
The vehicles are seen on a witness's cell phone video smoking in the distance as they got off at US 17.
Holy cow. Oh, it's about to get serious, boy.
FHP obtained surveillance video and more witness accounts saying Jimenez chased the man up Roosevelt Boulevard toward Naval Air Station Jacksonville. A police report says Jimenez hit Robinson's SUV one last time and he lost control, going through the median and colliding with several vehicles heading the opposite way. You can hear tires screech on Jimenez's call to 911.
Mary, this crash. This crash.
Ma'am, what's going on?
In a deadly road rage incident in 2019 has pleaded guilty to vehicular homicide. Ana Jimenez has been sentenced to 8 years in prison, followed by 7 years of probation. She's also banned from driving for the first 5 years of her probation. Here's dash camera video of that wild chase that started in Mandarin and ended on Roosevelt Boulevard. Investigators say 60-year-old James Robinson hit Jimenez's car on I-295 near Old St. Augustine Road. He sped away. She followed. That chase reached speeds up to 100 miles per hour and continued on I-295 over the Buckman Bridge. Witnesses told the Florida Highway Patrol that Jimenez repeatedly rammed the man's SUV, forcing him to hit a retainer wall. That chase eventually ended when Jimenez rammed Robinson's vehicle once more on Roosevelt Boulevard. He lost control, hit several other cars, and died. 3 other people were hurt during that chase. Police say Jimenez was told 22 times to stop when she herself called 911 during that chase.